Electrical tape is an indispensable tool for electricians, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts worldwide. Its story is as intriguing as its ubiquitous presence in modern life. This versatile product has a rich history, born out of the necessity to improve safety and functionality in electrical work. The journey from early insulation methods to the highly specialized electrical tapes we use today reflects in early days, cloth, and primitive insulation. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, as electrical wiring began to power homes and industries, insulation methods were rudimentary. Cloth tape, typically made from cotton or similar materials, was the go-to choice for wrapping electrical wires. These tapes were often treated with tar or shellac-based adhesives, which provided some insulation but had severe limitations. The adhesive substances were not moisture-resistant, causing the insulation to deteriorate over time, particularly in humid or wet environments. Moreover, the cloth material itself was prone to fraying and tearing, compromising its effectiveness. Additionally, these early insulation methods could not withstand the increasing electrical loads of expanding industries. As electrical grids grew more complex and as homes adopted more appliances, the need for a more durable and reliable insulating material became urgent. Engineers experimented with materials like rubber and resin, but these also had significant drawbacks, including brittleness over time. The breakthrough: 3M's vinyl tape invention. The invention of vinyl electrical tape in the 1940s was a milestone in the history of electrical insulation. At the forefront of this breakthrough was 3M, a company already known for its innovative products like masking tape and sandpaper. Recognizing the limitations of cloth and rubber, 3M's engineers began exploring vinyl as a potential material for electrical insulation. Vinyl, a polymer derived from ethylene and chlorine, had characteristics that were ideal for this purpose. It was resistant to moisture, durable, and flexible. However, creating a functional vinyl-based tape was not without challenges. The engineers faced significant hurdles in developing an adhesive that could bond effectively to vinyl without compromising its insulating properties. After extensive experimentation, they formulated a pressure-sensitive adhesive that adhered securely to the vinyl and retained its flexibility over time. This breakthrough adhesive was key to the product's success, as it allowed the tape to stretch and conform to wires without peeling or cracking. The introduction of vinyl electrical tape revolutionized the industry, providing a solution. Vinyl electrical tape, a revolutionary product. The introduction of vinyl electrical tape quickly transformed it into an essential tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Unlike its predecessors, vinyl tape offered a combination of durability, flexibility, and moisture resistance that made it ideal for a wide range of applications. Its elasticity allowed it to wrap tightly around irregularly shaped wires, creating a secure seal that could withstand vibrations, mechanical stress, and environmental exposure. Moreover, vinyl tape had excellent thermal stability, making it suitable for use in environments with fluctuating temperatures. Its ability to resist ultraviolet radiation also contributed to its popularity, especially in outdoor applications. By addressing the weaknesses of cloth and rubber-based tapes, vinyl electrical tape became indispensable in fields such as construction, automotive repair, and telecommunications. Its widespread adoption marked the beginning of a new era in manufacturing modern electrical tape. The production of modern electrical tape is a highly refined process that blends advanced materials with precision engineering. At the heart of this process is polyvinyl chloride, a polymer valued for its unique combination of flexibility, durability, and flame retardant properties. The manufacturing process begins with PVC sheets, which are treated with stabilizers and plasticizers to enhance their performance under electrical stress. These sheets are then fed through rollers, which stretch them to the desired thickness, a critical step, as thickness determines the tape's balance between flexibility and durability. The adhesive component of electrical tape is equally important. Modern tapes use rubber-based or acrylic adhesives, which are designed to maintain their bonding strength under various conditions, including extreme temperatures and high humidity. The adhesive must be carefully applied in controlled environments to ensure uniformity and prevent premature curing. Once coated, the PVC sheets are rolled into spools and cut into the familiar rolls of tape found on store shelves. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality control tests, including tensile strength measurements and insulation performance. The role of colors in electrical tape. While black electrical tape remains the most widely used due to its UV resistance, affordability, and suitability for general-purpose applications, the introduction of color-coded variants has added significant value to professional electrical work. Color-coded electrical tape enhances organization and safety, particularly in large-scale or complex projects such as commercial wiring installations, data centers, and industrial facilities. The ability to visually distinguish circuits, phases, or wire functions reduces errors, improves workflow efficiency, and facilitates maintenance. For instance, in the United States, green and green-yellow striped tapes are commonly used to indicate grounding, ensuring adherence to safety standards. Similarly, red, blue, and yellow tapes are utilized to denote different phases in three-phase electrical systems, minimizing the risk of wiring errors. The manufacturing of colored electrical tape involves the addition of non-conductive pigments during the production process. These pigments, made from synthetic or natural compounds, are mixed with polyvinyl chloride to create a durable, vibrant, and fade-resistant finish. Importantly, the pigments are carefully selected to avoid compromising the tape's insulating properties. This attention to detail ensures that colored tapes perform just as effectively as their black counterparts while providing the added benefit of visual coating. This innovation has become an industry standard in sectors like construction, telecommunications, and automotive repair, where precision and safety are critical. The success of color-coded electrical tape demonstrates how even small innovations can create a significant specialized electrical tapes for unique applications. Modern advancements in polymer science have enabled the creation of specialized electrical tapes designed for unique applications. Flame-retardant tapes, for example, are engineered to withstand high temperatures and minimize fire risks in hazardous environments such as industrial plants and server rooms. Waterproof tapes are another innovation, featuring enhanced adhesion and sealing properties that make them ideal for outdoor and marine applications. Additionally, some tapes are designed to maintain their performance under extreme conditions. High-temperature electrical tapes can withstand heat levels exceeding 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Celsius, while low-temperature variants remain flexible and adhesive in sub-zero environments. These specialized tapes are invaluable in industries ranging from aerospace to renewable energy, where reliability is paramount. Their development reflects the growing demand. The future of electrical tape. The continuous evolution of electrical tape highlights its importance in modern engineering and technology. As industries push the boundaries of what's possible, the demand for innovative insulating materials grows. Future developments may focus on sustainability, such as creating biodegradable or recyclable tapes that reduce environmental impact. Advances in nanotechnology could also lead to tapes with enhanced properties, such as self-healing insulation or integrated sensors for real-time monitoring of electrical systems. Moreover, as renewable energy systems like solar panels and wind turbines become more prevalent, electrical tape will need to adapt to these new technologies. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the fascinating history and evolution of electrical tape. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover. Next, we love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.